Try not to let this happen to you folks. So I was in my 50s and I thought I had the most secured job. I had been on this job for a long time. I felt like, hey, I'm going to be here until I retire. Then I went to work one day and I got the axe. And I didn't even see it coming. So, and it was painful, folks, let me tell you. So what I did was I went online and I started looking for a way to make money. That's when I stumbled across the blueprint. Now, there was a couple of things about the blueprint that captured my attention. Number one, there was really no experience required. Number two, you didn't have to put in but only 2 hours a day, which I like. And then the third thing for me, because I'm 60 now, but I was in my 50s then, was you don't have to be tech savvy. So I'm pretty good on the computers, but I'm not tech savvy, right? So when they said that, folks, I said, you know what? I'm in. So with that said, listen, folks, I don't know what your story is. It may not even be like mine, or it may be similar to mine, or you just don't want it to happen to you because you won't forget it. It's not a good feeling. It doesn't matter how long it's been. So if you are looking for a way to make some additional stream of income, right, just to protect yourself, then go down in the bottom in the comment section and type in info, and I'll send you out the blueprint.